Hello everyone, welcome to our class. For class 3, in chapter 3, today we learn about more about paint. Part 3. Now we are going to see about how to resize a drawing. You can use resize option to increase or decrease the size of the drawing or a part of the drawing. So that first click the select tool on the home tab and drag the pointer to select your drawing or a part of the drawing. Here in home tab, I am going to select the down arrow on select tool. Here I am choosing the rectangular selection. Now I am selecting the whole drawing using rectangular selection. Next, go to the resize option. For resize and skew, you can use the Ctrl plus W for shortcut. Ctrl plus W for shortcut. Now click the resize option. Yes, the resize and skew dialog box is open here. This is your resize area and this one is skew area. Now we are going to resize a drawing, so we are using the resize area. In this resize area, first select the maintain aspect ratio. The box is already enabled for us, so we need not to select the maintain aspect ratio, and click the percentage or pixel option. Okay, here now I am going to resize a percentage, so I am selecting the percentage. If you want to resize a pixel means you can choose a pixel option. Now I am resize the percentage only, so I am selecting the percentage. In this percentage you can type a new width in horizontal box or vertical box. Here I am give the 75% to horizontal, so that vertical is automatically updated. Okay, go to the OK button, click the OK button. Now see, you will get the resized drawing. Okay, you can see the size here is smaller than the original. Okay children, this is because we have selected the percentage option and typed 75% in text box. This means that we want the figure to be resized to 75% of the original. This is the reason why the figure is smaller in size than the original one. Okay children, do you all understand how to resize your drawing? Okay. Now we are going to see about how to skew a drawing. Okay. The skew command twists a drawing in the horizontal or vertical direction. Let us see how to skew. First, we are going to click the home tab. Here home tab is available for us, so we need not to select the home tab. So first click the select tool on the home tab. Here this is the home tab. In the home tab I am going to press the down arrow on the select tool. Select the rectangular selection so that I can select the whole part of the drawing. Now go to the resize option. Here this is the resize option. Click the resize option. Now your resize and skew dialog boxes appears. In this we are going to skew a drawing, so we are using the skew area. In this skew area, type the amount in degrees by which to skew the selected area of your drawing in horizontal or vertical box. Okay. If you want to type the degree in horizontal box or vertical, here I am giving the 45 degree in horizontal and then click the OK button. Now you can see the skewed drawing here, right? Okay children, do you understand how to skew a drawing? Okay. Thank you children.